In this video, we will learn to set up a simple email server not connected to the public internet for free just for testing or experiment purpose. After completing setup, we will also have an email server running in the background, and we can use the Thunderbird email client and write an email to myself and send. There you go, I can receive it. Let's learn to set it up. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright, once you have your virtual machine set up and ready, you can go to this site. You might have to update the browser to the virtual machine, and you see these files. And one of these two will help you set up the email server almost instantly, which otherwise might cause you to spend hours and hours to learn. Alright, you can download this one. It works only if you're using the virtual machine I've introduced you in the complete guide. The link is in the description. If you're using other Ubuntu virtual machine, you've got to use the other simulator, and you might have to do some troubleshooting on your own. So to save yourself from frustrations and be on the same page as me, follow the complete guide and set up the virtual machine and download this simulator. You won't be asked to pay, nor do you have to submit any personal information. Alright, everything together in this folder will help you install the email server into the virtual machine almost instantly. But just to play it very safe, I encourage you to back up your virtual machine. Alright, I've written a script that will automatically operate and interact with these files in a proper order. All we need to do is run that magical script with a couple of simple commands. So right click on the blank area and click on the Open in Terminal. We type commands here. So another good news is that those simple commands we're going to type lives in this text file named helpfulscripts.txt. Just double click to open it. The command to run is here. Select the first line and copy it. Paste it into your terminal. Next, we will run this script. How to do that? We can run this command in the terminal. Let's copy it. Normally, you'll be presented with this screen. What if otherwise? I'll tell you in a separate video. Well, in normal case, at this screen you'll have to click OK to continue, but you can't use mouse. Instead, press the Tab key on your keyboard, then hit the Enter button. Enter. Now wait for it to finish. Alright, perfect. Well, if things didn't go smooth, these couple of commands might help you. At this point, I already have installed the email simulator and have this domain ready. To verify whether this domain works, I'm going to run this command, copy it, paste it, enter. Alright, it's working. Now to stop these endless responses, I press Ctrl and C at the same time. Alright, let's verify the other domain. So far so good, everything is good. It means I can use this email address from now on. Why don't we try it? Here's it. It's opening up. Here's the welcome screen. Close it. Let's add our new email address to the Thunderbird. Click this hamburger icon. Hover your mouse cursor to the preferences and click account settings. It's not very intuitive, but click this account actions. Click this button. Fill in the form. Fill in the email address. The password is Java. Like this. And click continue. Now it's gonna take a while. If it takes too long, like 10 minutes, you can try restarting the virtual computer and try again. Alright, no errors, no exceptions. That's good. Let's click the done. And here's the scary part. This red warning message is popping up because I didn't do any encryption for the email server for the simplicity. Encryption doesn't matter as long as you are not running it in a live environment. So, tick this I understand the risk and click done. After a while, we successfully set up the Thunderbird. Click OK. Let's see if we can send a mail to ourselves. Click this right. The receiver is going to be myself. Title or subject. Hi from ALB. Then click the send button. Alright, when you use Thunderbird for the first time, you will come across this warning message, which also has something to do with encryption. Make sure it is ticked and click this confirm security exception. Then what you may not know is click the Thunderbird icon. Here's an error message. Don't let it hide in the behind. Click OK. And click the send button again. Then you will observe a new folder named sent. When you go to the inbox, you will see a new email from myself, from me, to me. Great! Alright, one last thing. If you want to add more user, you can use this command. Copy it. Alright, we're going to run this script to add user, just for your info. Paste it, enter. Alright, this email address is added. That's it. Hope you've learned something. Thanks for watching. The next lesson is going to be a great one as well. I'll see you there. Peace.